Hello guys, welcome back to another part of Core Java tutorial. In today's episode, we are going to learn about what is the use of throw in Java. Using the throw clause, you can easily create any exception. You can easily create an exception anywhere in a program. So here I'm going to demonstrate it using a complete working example. So in this program, there are two integer variables and it accesses value from the user through the command line arguments. So here I'm going to create another method called process public void process that has two arguments, int x and int y. Okay, here I am going to check the value of y. If value of y equal to 0, then here I am going to throw an exception. So here I use that throw clause, throw new arithmetic exception with a message arithmetic exception. Okay, and here I am going to handle this exception here using try catch block. So here I handle it using a try catch. Here is the catch, and it's an arithmetic exception. Okay, and here I print it. System.out.println exception caught at process method. Also print out that exception here using that object. Okay, now I am going to call this method from the main method. So for that I have to create an object of this class throw demo is equal to new throw demo. Just create an object of that class, and using that object I'm going to call that method demo dot process. Pass that values a and b. Pass that two values a and b. Okay, if the value of b is 0, that means value of y is 0, then here I just throw an exception using the throw clause, and I handle that exception in that method itself. And if the value of b is not 0, then you have to do something here in the else of that loop. We create another variable int result is equal to x by y. System dot I print out that result. The result is equal to, and print out that result variable here. Okay, if the value of y is 0, that means value of y is b is 0, that means the second command line argument is 0. Here we got an exception, and I handle that exception in the method itself. So here I am going to throw that exception to the calling method, that means the main method. So here from the catch block I throw that exception to the caller. So here I just throw that exception object, so that is coded on the main method. So here I'm going to code that exception here using a try catch block in main method. Arithmetic exception e out dot println exception code at main method exception code at main method, and that exception is here E. Okay, so in this program, if the second command line argument is 0, then uh, the calling method, that means the process method, will throw an exception, and I handle it on the catch block. Again, I throw that exception to the caller method. Here the caller method is the main method, and in the main method I handle it again using a try catch block. So now we can run it. So here I using the NetBeans IDE for running this project, running this program. So I have to set two command line arguments. So go to the run option and select the set project configuration and choose the customize sub option, and here is the class name. Our class name is throw demo, and here are the arguments option. Here I am going to pass two valid arguments 6 and 2 and click OK. Now I am going to run it. Now I run. Now we got the result. That means the value of B is now not 0. So we got the result, and again I am going to change that arguments, that means second value, into 0. So go to the set main project configuration, customize. I change the second argument as 0 and click OK. Now again run it. Here it is. Here you can see that first the exception is caught at the process method. So exception caught at process method, it is java lang.arithmetic exception, and here is that message, customized message, and again we throw that exception from the catch block to the caller method, that means main method, and again it is caught at the main method. Guys, please subscribe my channel now for getting more video updates. See you in the next part of this tutorial.